On July 2nd, the Twitch community lost a very dear member in Byron, or Reckful Bernstein, and it hit a lot of people really, really hard, including myself. Even as a person who never watched his streams, I knew of Byron. I never even knew the full impact until his passing of what he did for the streaming community. And it just kind of resonated with me more than even I thought it would. So the next day, I saw a piece of artwork floating around the subreddit from a redditor or an artist named Yo It's Aiden, and it was so gorgeous. I asked him if I could turn it into a poster, and he graciously gave me permission to do so. And as such, it just arrived today. So let's crack it open. I ordered this through Vistaprint, just because I wanted to get it ASAP, and I didn't want to pay like an astronomical amount for it. Oh, come on. So hopefully this turned out good. Man, I was wanting to put this in a frame today. And frames are expensive. Oh my god, are frames expensive. It was like $30. So I might have to do that later on. I was shocked. Okay, I can already feel right now from just the paper, it feels really, really nice. And oh, come on, man. How do you get... I've never bought a poster before. How do you get these things out? Can you like poke it? I swear, some days I'm a total potato. Come on. Oh, there it goes. 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 Come on, don't rip. Don't rip. Don't rip. I paid a lot for this. Okay. So here it is. I got it on 18 by 24. And hopefully you guys can see it. It is absolutely stunning. I love this. I got this on high glossy paper. I love it. Yeah, it's a little bit pixelated, more so than I wanted. But this is, I guess, what we would call in the computer world a 10-foot poster. So from 10 feet away, it looks absolutely fantastic. I'm very, very happy with this. I actually can't wait to get this mounted. I don't know where I'm going to mount this, but by the time you see this video, it should be mounted. So here's a picture. I'm pretty happy. So, yeah, it's very sad that Byron's not with us anymore. And hopefully there's finally some closure for him. But thanks so much. If you guys like this video, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see all of you on the next video. Bye.